Hello, Trickbo. I'm going to do a how-to video today. It's how to reseal the edges on a Winnebago fiberglass roof. Everybody's always asking how to do it, and people are always having trouble with their fiberglass roofs, pieces of it blowing off because they're not keeping the edges sealed. So I was going to do a quick video how to seal those edges. So I'm up here on top of my 2003 Winnebago. What I've done, I replaced all the caulking to the front cap and redid the caulking around the antenna, but then I put the Eternabond tape over the caulking just as a precaution, keep the UV rays off of it. And that Eternabond tape is really a good product. It lasts for years and years, so I don't think I have to worry too much about resealing that. But on these edges, what happens is this roof curves around and fits in this tract right here, and it tucks it. This is like a gutter rail. The water runs off of it, but this top has got to fit behind that rail, and this caulking right here gets loose and allows this roof to come up, and if wind ever gets caught underneath there, that's when you have pieces of the roof blow off. But as long as you keep that sealed, what you do is go along and push along this edge, and if it's loose at all, then you've got to scrape all this caulking out of there and put new caulking in. And what I did, I cleaned it all out and stuck the tip of the caulk gun down inside there to kind of push this fiberglass back as far as I could, and then when it released, it actually kind of pushed some of that caulking out, so I knew that tract was full. And it's not really so much to keep water out, it's just to keep that lip of the fiberglass tucked in there, because if water does get in there, there's drain holes along the bottom for the water to get out. But so like once a year, everybody with the Winnebago needs to go along this edge and check, make sure it's tight. And what I did, I used a M1 by ChemLink. It's supposed to be the dump truck of caulk, so I shouldn't have to redo mine for several years. I'll put a picture of the product I used. But on some of these, I haven't done all of them, but on some of them I put the Eternabond tape around the edges over the caulking. But like this one here, it's such an odd shape that I just resealed it with the self-leveling sealant. But I think the roof's in pretty good shape, and I think it'll stay that way as long as I don't slack up on the maintenance and let one of the edges get loose. So anyway, that's my tip on Winnebago fiberglass roofs. So thank you for watching, and we'll talk to everybody later.